Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left rear radiant surface element in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Next, unthread the two screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel and support it to avoid straining the wires. Now unthread the front bracket screws securing the main top. Unthread the two screws underneath the rear corners of the top. Pull the main top back and up to remove, then set it aside. Detach the left rear radiant surface element retaining clips from the support panel. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them from the terminals. Prepare the new radiant surface element for installation by transferring the spring clips from the old element to the new one. Use the numbers engraved on the base to position the clips in the proper locations. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Insert the clips into the slots in the support panel and snap the new element into place. Reposition the main top by sliding the rear edge under the lip of the element's support panel, then lower the front edge. Replace all of the screws to secure. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover, then thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.